Hey yo, what up? It's your boy, Solar Boy. Siyempre, from Solar Boy Tattoo Studio. We have here the do's and don'ts before your tattoo session. Siyempre, first, eat and stay hydrated. Eating well and stay hydrated will give you energy for your long tattoo session. Number 2, siyempre, moisturize your skin para maging malambot at smooth ang pagpasok ng ink sa inyong balat. And number 3, siyempre, get a good sleep. Bakit, tol? Alright, number 3, get a good sleep. Siyempre, para kondisyon lang iyong katawan sa mahabang session na gagawin ninyo. Alright, number 4, don't drink alcohol before and during your tattoo session. And number 5, avoid sun exposure before and after your tattoo sessions para hindi masira ang iyong tattoo. Siyempre, pinaka-importante, number 6, don't cancel your tattoo appointment on the last minute dahil mapo-forfeit ang iyong down payment. So, ayun, dahil alam nyo na yung do's and don'ts, pwede na kayo magpa-appointment dito sa aming Facebook page and Instagram. Dito lang yan sa 190 Scout Gandia, Tomas Morato, Quezon City. Let's go!